Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to enter in dividers in your Notion template. You're going to want to make sure you can see this prompt where it says write something or press space for AI / for commands. We're going to push the / on our keyboard and the basic block list is going to pop up. We can either type in divider and it will pop up for us, or we can search through the list. Once we click on that basic block that we want, you can see that there is a thumbnail. It tells you exactly what we're getting. And I do like the little visual aspect of this. And so once we click on that, the line will appear. Now, you can move this divider if you don't know how to move things in Notion templates, or you want to know more about moving things in Notion templates. You can check out my other video on moving items in Notion. And so you're going to want to make sure if you are moving things around that you see this blue highlighted area. That's the only places you'll be able to move that line. So if you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thanks. Bye.